She not gonna make nothing trouble, you know. Ven,
Yeah,
how you doing today?
fine, thank you today.
You're good today.
Yeah.
Eh?
School.
School today?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you doing good in school?
Yeah, good.
Good. Okay, that's good. I like your sister.
The man. There was a man at the school, you know?
Yo, where me fly in from the uptown kitchen. Jeez. You see in the kitchen? Yeah, Joe, where me out the uptown kitchen. So we are selling the USS. We have 30 US here for you from Oliver and Carla.
Yes.
See there?
Yes.
US.
Oliver and Carla. No respect. More than love you more than Steve Fish and rice and peas. Oliver and Carla. Kino.
Nice, the good. What the award? Hold it up in the seat now. Hold it up. Jeez.
See that?
See there?
Yeah, man, we have to do it. You understand? And we have to keep doing it. Yeah, that.
British High Commissioner.
Oh, what you mean? Yeah, that.
Still I recognize the good same as the
still
hero.
do the
Still
good.
they are work with the dream team and put in the good work.
Work same way.
You see me? So see them more award.
More award for comers.
Man, I tell you, Oliver and Carla, she not even know I make me feel.
See that? No, it's still a chimbo.
Food, yeah.
No, it's still a
You watching foot? Oh, the cars come off. Wow. Take your time. You don't want to take your time with the leg. Yeah, work out the leg so. Wow.
They cut it.
So like I get the award, they say award for award, you know, so that work out, award for award. So we have $30 US here for you.
Alright.
You know, because Dream Team a bit different from what they are pure US applying.
Pure US man.
She close to the December.
Yeah.
So we have 30s from Oliver and Carla.
Oliver and Carla, oh my God. Thank you, Oliver and Carla. More blessing, more.
Oliver and Carla, well, I get 40 years, you know, appreciation of what you see and want for me still. I appreciate the most of boy. The heart goes on the daily thing for me still, you see? And give thanks and respect for the throne of God.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Max is here. Stretch. Max, you walk. Well, Dream Team, one team. Max, you know, Max never leave me alone. You know what I think of Max, Dream Team, one team. Max is here. Max on the security, you know, so make sure everything is for sure. Yeah, so blessing love to all, blessing love to all. So I want to say give thanks to Oliver and Carla, you know, give thanks to Oliver and Carla. The US just touched down, you know, the US just touched down, you know, just like how we got a resort coming soon, we have US dollar for the resort. So Dream Team is doing it different from the other day. You notice I'll be a US Dream Team I get. Yeah, we have to give thanks. Here for the love, you know, keep on spreading. So it's not only Jamaican they must spend US dollar in Jamaica, you know, and we're gonna start off with the great Joe Barker, because you know Joe Barker never really feeling well the other day. If you name and look around, you know, if you hear the name Joe Barker mentioned, so him there the whole killer away himself, you know, the stone flinging, Rasta bringing. You see when you see him now, when you name tree you have to jump out. You see me, so right now you can't fling no stone, him not strength for that anymore, so we're taking care of him now, you know. So blessed love to all, blessed love to all. And don't forget to like and don't forget to share. And remember, you can always follow me as well to an IG, follow me on Instagram, Kino Life in Jamaica. Yeah, so don't forget to follow CMA for the program, CMA for the movement. So Kino Life in Jamaica and IG CMA, you know. So we'll give thanks to our family. So we have Joe Barker. Yeah. So I go on, huh?
Nice.
There's a phone call here for you. So all is well.
Yeah, man, say give thanks for life, yes?
It is right. Never have some money for you, you know. You're not Jamaican money, you know.
Give them, have them.
You say, anyway, you know where you want.
Oh, you want to give it up, kid.
Alright, then, so I'll give it in a year way.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to get it right?
Yeah.
So this time now, Joe Barker.
Yeah.
Killer way himself. Old school. How you say? Yourself?
Anti-Arab.
How you look for yourself? You look for yourself. You're not 16 anymore.
Yeah.
You can't fling stone anymore. Yeah, so I have $30 a year for you.
True.
From Oliver and Carla. Right, $30 a year for you from Oliver and Carla. They live in the USA. They was here the last time we meet them. You know, the big man. So the husband and the wife, you know. So this is your $30
From Carla, yeah.
from Oliver and Carla.
Oliver and Carla. Thanks, see?
See there?
Yeah.
So you say, cut the cans through. That's true, you say, feeling much better now, right? Feel nicer. The fish tea work.
Yeah, you can't change my still.
You can't? No, no worry. I make you check Esther. You know, Esther will do the changing for you. Right, so we make you check the bank. Okay. Protect you, yeah?
Yeah, you talk.
Esther.
So we have, come out, baby. Come out the road, baby. Okay, I afford for them to lick down.
My boys.
Oh. You do this as fair boys then. So baby, we have a US here for you as well to come from more of the team and stop get US.
Like we got foreign.
Everybody, yeah, we stop spend Jamaican in Jamaica.
That means
spending the US currency right now.
foreign.
Dream team upgrade.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have to give thanks, you know, the extended
Upgrade from local.
Yeah. So we're doing it different this year.
Yeah.
Going into the new year. So we have 30 US here for you from Oliver and Carla. I know this have a travel on the plane and it could come through nowhere else, you know.
Yeah.
So we have here 30 US here from Oliver and Carla.
Wow. Oliver and Carla, thank you very much. Big up all of the extending family. Oliver and Carla, I don't know how, I don't know what kind of words I got to give you, but I always, I never drop off, I always there for Dream Team. I love that. Just big up and bless up on yourself. And I know God I got there to keep blessings.
And we have Rasta Jackson. Come from all the clothes down to Rasta Jackson. Yeah man, come in the light.
Every time from the big up.
Every time.
Every time, Kino, no?
Just coming off the work.
Yeah, just learn, no?
Alright, enjoy the land. Him look like cool, him and fold him hand.
Yeah, come up, in the fall, come and whip me up on the road, you see him kind of cool,
Alright, so Rasta Jackson, you know we have a donation here for you. And remember, so we're doing it in style.
Yeah, sir.
We get US dollars again.
You get US style,
yeah, so US. Yeah, so this point and you're ready to fly out again. Because what do you fly go? How can you fly go again? A Cuba you go?
Yeah. No, a Cuba, no man.
A Cuba? No, a Cuba you go over there. You get seasick and then reach the room and catch back all the energy.
I went to England, man.
England.
Canada.
Oh yeah, Canada. That's got Canada the other day. Yeah.
Well, nice.
And get seasick through the boat in there, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so this time now we are sending the US.
Yes.
So we have 30 US here for you. So we are sending God the USA. So we have 30 US here for you from Oliver and Carla.
Yes.
See there?
Yes. Oliver and Carla. No respect. I love you more than Steve Fish and rice and peas. I will call her Kino, extended family, love every time Rastafari, God been going out and coming in from this time forth and forevermore we love you no more than cook food. I will call her every time, big up all the extended family. And Kino, love you every time.
More love, man, more love. See the US.
US,
Dirty US. So you know everything.
We're on the plane.
Because we have some list with names, you know, and we have Talpi. We have Florida in the place, big up yourself, Florida. Florida fly out. And some are going easy to see me. Big up yourself, Sam Jiggy, I go and look out, see that Sam. And everything, Sam. So you know, we're a circle. Talpi! Talpi there up on the scheme. So we have Talpi as well to name up on the list. Talpi. So we have Talpi here, what? So Talpi have on New York.
Twice.
So see there? Talpi have on New York, Brooklyn, New York. So you know, so we have something to go over that place so we there. Yeah man, we're doing it different. From what the dream team is doing it different, you know. You say alcohol?
Yeah, alcohol, you know.
You're not feeling well?
Yeah, I'm not feeling so good. Flu, you know.
Oh, flu.
Yeah.
So like how you have get well soon. That's what we always say, you know, get well very soon. So like how you have in New York, you know. They know them place there you can't spend Jamaican money, you know. You can't spend Jamaican, so we have $30 for you to spend in Brooklyn, New York. Right now from Oliver and Carla.
Oliver and Carla, all the respect, you know, all the love, you know. One team, dream team. Look at more New York than I spend, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, wow, chef place.
Yeah.
One love, you know. That is here.
Yeah.
One team, dream team.
Let's get some rest, man. I'm going to drink up the bush tea.
Bush tea, yeah, that's not doing that. Drink up some bush tea.
Oliver and Carla.
Yeah.
So, you know, we're going to circle Shannon father as well to for a donation as well for them.
Yeah.
And we have one for Baja, but Baja is not here as yet. And Hero gone on the road, so Hero is not here as well too. So you know the thing, so stay tuned. So now we have Natural in the building.
Blessing up.
Every time. Yes, I.
Big up all friends and family.
Extended family.
Extended family.
See there.
Yeah man.
Natural. Natural himself.
Work on my automobile.
See there.
Yeah man.
Just come off of your work and I work for another work.
Natural
ever work. More natural. Keep up yourself. Say no, we're going to circle Shannon that now. So we give thanks. Yo, where me fly in from the Uptown kitchen. Yes. There's an AC in the kitchen? Yeah, yeah, where me out the Uptown kitchen.
Just rise up twice and I say clean and see for the girl.
Yeah. There's a walk with them and I walk forward from. And there Oliver and Carla said couple names with say get some US dollars, you know. So US where they give out the names there we get, you know. Rasta Jackson get him US to fly out.
That is it, man.
So where am I out the kitchen?
Yeah man, that's a rest today, you know.
Yeah,
active tomorrow again, you know.
Oh yeah, day off today?
No, you're not going to find them.
Okay.
Tuesday them start.
Tuesday.
Sunday.
Oh, you get day off on
Sunday.
Okay.
The thing.
Yeah. You see a life box I go around the kitchen for your garden, man. Oh, you know.
Yes, man. You know them man, they are a legend.
Long time, man.
They are a long time, man.
Everything the man touch the people, them say you are gold.
Yeah, man. Man, a legend.
You man, all purpose.
All purpose.
Yeah, man, let's bless up one everybody.
Extended family.
Bless up. Love extended family. Straight. One team, same with it. Not change, you see it?
Not change. Just run just in the Uptown kitchen. You know, you can't really see him to when him have a day off, so.
Yeah, to my day. How are they meet this straight that far? Circle and
sure, I'm going to take out teeth.
Yeah, that night, yeah.
Sure, I could forward the other day, so. I'm going to go run at the country, go and clean out them bush down because I want to start planting some callaloo, you know. Yeah, man.
Right.
You will tell me that's when you ready, man. I want them, I don't read the cut that's called about.
Yeah.
Yeah, army away.
Eh? No, well, they don't have to bring the army.
You tell me something better, man. You know, we talk, but you tell me something.
Yeah,
You know,
go.
something in the punch of
Yeah, man, we're gonna clean up, man, isn't it? And drop some callaloo and pop through and then cooking.
All peanut,
That's a peanut.
Yes, man, all peanut, man. That seed, man, the pea selling up.
Yeah.
And get out all this tune about and dirt,
yeah, man, don't get me about my chicken cook down the same, you know. I'm gonna drop all 1 and 2 for all the night, man.
Peanut and carrot.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna drop 1 and 2 for all night. I'll start to try the back. It'll lock up your land and the land bush up. Yeah. That way for do, man, because we can't come there go and
yeah, man, for landed in man, just do something, man.
Yeah. That's how we go on. No, man, this is don't get vibes, man.
Yeah, man, ready, man.
Don't get vibes,
maybe upon the machine, no? The focus, so.
Carla, boy, I tell you, I live on Carla, she not even know I make my feel.
See, that no, it's still a chimbo.
Yeah.
No, it's still a double cold night. I'm going to town out here.
Yeah, we have area.
One team, dream team. Dream team, one team. Only real team, yeah, that.
So show him, so just get him.
Yes, man.
Where you get?
What I know, man. You know what I'm crazy? That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, this is what I'm talking about, you know.
Yeah, in our community.
Yeah.
So no, because we are doing good in our community, so them always want to highlight when we are doing good, you understand? So, yeah, man, they give me an award and they want to speak with me and say, you know, say you do good in your community, you.
Yeah,
but so we have to highlight Kino and tell them what go in that place, you understand?
I mean, so more award for award. So
if I never for Kino, wouldn't they do the good in our community, though? So we have to give thanks.
And them recognize the good. What the award, hold up in the seat now, so hold up. Jeez.
See that? Yeah, man, we have to do it. You understand? And we have to keep doing it. Yeah, that.
British High Commissioner.
Oh, what you mean? Yeah, that.
Them still I recognize the good same instead of the hero. Still they are work with the dream team and put in the good work.
Same way.
You see me? So see them more award.
More award for come as well.
More award. Come here, Lord, bro. Don't put the awards. Keep the award. Yes, I go and read so. So like I get the award, they say award for award, you know, so that work out, award for award. So we have $30 a year for you.
Alright.
You know, because dream team will be different from what they have pure US apply.
Pure US man.
Keep close to the December.
Yeah.
So we have 30 from Oliver and Carla.
Oliver and Carla, oh my God. Thank you, Oliver and Carla. More blessing, more respect, you know, so we love you. Love cannot never stop, you understand? We just love you from our heart, you understand? But thank you for that, yeah, Oliver? Love.
Oliver,
yeah, that.
Carla,
and Carla.
You fly out now. Living in style. Dream team, one team. Yeah, that's what Jack's talking about.
That's about US and power.
Yeah.
What's that about? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, I'm going to feel fine.
Put it on in New York.
New York. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Tell them out.
You feel the vibe. You feel the vibe.
I'm going to Canada one day come back and move back.
Yeah. Florida. Yeah.
You see them come back from over there. Where come back from over there?
Miami. That is that. I'll go over Shannon Father now because we have a US for them as well. I'll go over Shannon Father over 2nd Street. I drove back and get him US to fly out. Killer way. Get all them US to fly out too.
Yeah, I'm ready. Yes, sir. I'm ready. Anytime.
But, Barney Bob.
Yeah, Barney Bob, you know.
See that man, the man always give you strength.
Don't know more life and more strength, you know.
People them say them really appreciate, you know.
Big up yourself.
Yeah man, them say them really appreciate what you're doing. And you know the thing, or me like him still want to sleep.
Kind of beat up, man.
Beat out.
See, you know what? Be what's me, I do, man.
Yeah, that is that.
So come.
Is in the yard?
Yes.
Nah, how you doing?
Good.
Good. Body cat. Yeah, man. Body cat. Long time though seen.
One team. Dream team. Manners and respect.
Extended family. One love, you know, up and active, out here, doing the good work.
All the time.
To all of the sponsors, manners and respect again. For everything that the sponsor does for the grandma. Understand? The Dream Team family. Extend family.
Yeah.
One thing, all family. One love, Dream Team, one team.
Extend.
Me kind of nice and feel. You know me? We have to do feel. You understand what I say? Families, manners and respect.
Alright then, big up.
One team.
Alright, one son. Could never be a two son. Bam! All is well. All is well. Look on the princess now. Eh? I have a big yard.
Takeover goes through, and after the purchase of the Mumbai Indians, Amani was revealed as the world's richest sports people.
And feel. You watching football? You watching football? Oh, the cars come off. Wow. Take your time. You don't show you don't want to take your time with the leg. Yeah, work out the legs so. Wow.
They cut it.
I wouldn't take it off, fam. Today? Free up. I want the straight as well. I want the straight, so. And this will go come on back straight. Jeez, are you happy now? Are you happy now?
And all of you eventually come straight.
Oh, by walking.
I'm kind of telling like to the citizen come out to them.
Yeah.
Oh,
so you kind of tell them.
Yeah, so. One on the side, this one on the other side.
Wow, I'm so proud of my friend.
Can I tell you a story about Afmal?
Go on there.
Once upon a time, there was Afmal taking a pickaxe outside, going outside. But when she come outside, she looked at her house. It was so purple, and she explode. She saw Ian and Tears. They're being really mean. They steal things. They blow people's house, and they even tell lie.
Tell lie?
Yes.
Oh, that's naughty, right?
Yes. It's when Afra get furious, she started want to hurt them, so they run away like chickens.
like chickens. Well, that's why she's very intelligent, you know. You hear the accent that she have, like she born a
Tears was rolling on his feet, and Ear was running like this.
Is this your sister?
Yes, my name is Ben.
Ben, how are you doing, Ben?
Fine.
You good?
Yeah.
Stay home today?
Today.
No school today?
No.
Let's stay at home.
Yeah.
Alright. That's the one we worry about the most. Ben.
Yeah.
And you're right though, right?
Yes.
Okay, never mind. And you know, someone say like, through for she have a disability, like them not say if you can advise if somebody can date her with her whenever she have go. Yeah, like the trapping.
Two times she lost. No, on the third time I'm going to go very small.
Yeah.
So I'm like to try to make it. I don't think to make it reach me this. If she have going foot to foot.
Foot to foot.
Yeah. I don't know an inch, now we are at
yeah.
If she come from school, I make sure I reach at the spot before the time.
Yeah.
It's an hour or half an hour before the time.
Yeah, true.
Like last time she lost, with the right cross carry side this up. And I see the bus and I come cross. Me go behind, the back part of the bus and she come up. And she go in a taxi and reach downtown.
Because the lady say with the fear of disability, them not gonna know what's bad, you know, because them not got, she not aware.
No, she not can't explain certain things we reach and certain things. You see?
Yeah.
Give night school enough time. Enough thing going night school. And when time she come in, she reveal it in a certain one-on-one talk. So sometimes the question should have shut up down. Then, but she will talk after. You pick it up. So we just call the teacher and the teacher know what's still is it.
Yeah.
So enough time in trouble at the school and them be there a certain way and we don't like it.
Yeah.
So make we go to school regular. Even class road, we like bus stop enough time and she's a girl like this, she not talk. Same like cousin sit down observe. Then I use them up here at school. I'm deal away at the bus stop. But I know see me and father, you know. I'm just lower when the bus come, I'm just watch who's going on the bus. Lower that she can talk for herself and if anybody attack you, if you deal with them back certain way. You deal with derogatory, you can't deal them back derogatory.
She not really aware.
But she not deal them, you see me?
Yeah,
she not sit down and beg people step over her.
Because the lady, I think she should have a daughter as well to the same situation, so she not really
aware. I'm about it, you know, I try all about it, you know, work certain way, you see?
Yeah, man, I'm glad for you say.
We got a family like ministry.
Yeah.
Go sit down how much hours. You see, just for and when them say I take them, I take my money. You know, tell me, say, never know what to do again. You see, $3,000, $3,500 an hour.
Oh, I know.
Half a $3,000 so. You see, they'll care about that, most of them all 4 hours, them all do that.
Take them and take your money as they say, you know.
Even when I used to carry the guidance counselor. I'm still them now, the team can't help her. Till them say I'm going to mic up. When I mic up your sister, so come the nurse show the kind of understand certain things. They show me it's mentally interactive. That means that you can't keep up what you call it now, conversation. Or reasonability. She not there to say, is it? When them tell me that I have to know how to do it, like I said, keep her close me.
Always, you know, keep her, you know, because when I say, there's a beauty for you, so you're still here with them, seeing me, because everyone will admire you, so you're still here with them, seeing me, you know, you never turn a blind eye. I'm there today because never donation as well to see me.
The reason why I have to have a dedication with the first one I made up till, because I say mother left her family chat 9 months. I'm just sit down and she up, see me? Yeah,
man, so.
Even them ball and tell me something for them. So I never have the intention to do that, you know. You see? I never even dream to talk about me I left them their age. Because I go anywhere, even if I buy a food I road, I can't eat it. I think about them. Even put 1 spoon of rice on my mouth, I can't swallow it. Never try to come give them. You see, not enough people that say I suffer myself. Not time saying that, you know, but how me do the thing. I can't eat and know so them in front of me I eat straight, is it?
True. Princess.
Can I tell you back to the story now?
I'm gonna finish with your daddy. Right? So daddy, so right now we have a donation for you. You know, a US dollar we have for you again, you know. You know, as I said, the US them coming in. So we upgrade the Jamaican currency to US dollars.
Thanks, huh?
So we give thanks. This is from Oliver and Carla from the USA, you know, $40 US for you, you know.
Oliver and Carla, I get $40 US, you know, appreciation of what you see. I'm going for me still, I appreciate the most of boy. Yeah, goes on the deal that you for me still, you see? Give thanks and respect for the one of them. So, appreciate it a lot. Then, I hope I can help you much more. Then, it's what everyone. Even we take off the cars to them, I still feel away. Then, I feel joyful same way, because I help them.
Or you feel like, say, you're not ready to come off yet?
But when I come off, I never
that joy.
I feel joyful, you know, it's school time about now, is it?
Yeah.
So give thanks and respect for you. you done right about Alvan Carla. You did.
Yeah, man, it's really a blessing. Cause I remember one time in the early stage before even operation, when we used to sit here say, a time I come, we never say, Kino, you remember one time we used to talk and say, oh, you want to get the operation done for your daughter and everything. And you know, you see how it really happened now. You know,
it come like a surprise when I look on it. After so long, come like a surprise.
Exactly. It come like it was yesterday. You know, and we have time, that's why we have to always look on the future. Because look on her now, she's joyful, she's active now, you know. She's active. Soon so she run up and down a sports day. You know. Yes, she run up and down, guys. I tell you now, she's more joyful and happy now, you know. And as I say, just continue to keep and watch over them, you know. And as I say, your biggest concern is Ven, you know, because I can't say she always relax, you know.
She not make nothing trouble her still.
Yeah, because she not gonna make. She not gonna make nothing trouble her, you know. Ven, how you doing today?
Thank you today.
You're good today?
Yeah.
School today?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you doing good in school?
Yeah, good.
Good? Okay, that's good. I like your sister.
The man. There was a man at the school, you know? Wait, I'll tell you that when I tell you the story, friend.
Which one is she talking about?
The man in that school.
Tell him his name. You don't remember his name?
Man.
She don't remember what was the name. You remember?
Yes. It's Narleen.
Narleen. You remember that name, Narleen?
Narleen.
So, Narleen, we didn't start school.
She's the one I
and he
teach
got
us.
lost. He got lost and everyone was looking for him.
Oh.
She'll bring her out. Because she's not too talking.
Yeah. So
she's straight up.
Okay, so.
Okay. She don't want to say anything.
Yeah. So a Shanette are the one.
She manipulates she.
Who, Shanette?
She be with her like.
Because she's very intelligent, you know, because you know she encourage her to talk because she realize anytime you go talk, there's a stop. So she try to continue the conversation so she can catch up back on it. That's what she's doing. She's really helping her out.
Sometimes she manipulates her still like a programmer.
Shanette, are you programming then?
Because she realized what she is today.
I'm not programming then. I play with her.
You play.
She's programmer.
Are you taking good care of her?
Yes. And if I love her.
And you love her, right?
So over her, she can't do that. Anything she wants, I see.
Oh, the next one. Look at maybe through me there on here.
No time with her on, I have to come out and say, what do you think?
Where are you, Angela?
Not too she stays, so she be sure.
No, but the sister, them a tell her to do it.
No.
All the sister, them a tell her, say like, she feel learn to do things.
No.
Say it, come here and tell her. How she deal with it? Force her. I mean, I like them things. And she talk. You know talk. People out of road not give her your to talk. She been doing it regular. We tell her, so she'll do it. I don't want to split between the two of them. I make sure she more love more she. I don't want to go to say.
Yeah.
But you have fear the other sister. You see me?
Yeah. After the older sister.
Yeah. She older now.
Oh, she's older.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a match.
5 years older than she.
Listen, me now I take advantage of Ven, you know. Because you know me pull you out on the camera right now. You're on there hide. I'll pull you out on the camera. So don't hide. You know anything we have to do, then we have to do it yourself, right? What she there? She not answer me. Me not hear. Yeah, me know you take no advantage of my friend, okay? You must. And then make your daddy have to talk more than one time. You know, because I do the right thing, so you know you have to do the right thing as a younger sister to her, right?
Look here.
Father God, I watch you, you know. So don't feel like say Father God now watch you all go on.
Stop that. Lock it up.
Yeah.
Tell the mother that several times before she died. Tell the mother that.
Father God, I watch.
I never deal with them, sir. I tell her that several times. See, you can't go, you believe you feel the pain and get them. And I may have the most stuff for them. You see? So don't deal with them, sir. Even the one that several times she did and she run out of the yard, naked. She back home. So they don't like that. I tell her she not for do that because she don't know the type of person she is. See? And she never hear. You know, I say I got beat her still. You know, I say that.
But Almighty always a so going, you know. So
even the youth when time she for appointment, she never have time. She never find a time. Never. But find out to the youth that them situation. She never try to find a time to say, show up. Or if me find the time at all the time. When I say me I try to praise her now.
Yeah.
Show you where it comes from. You see?
Yeah, I understand.
Anything at all I made up for them. Straight up. If the mother was alive and me have to deal with it because she didn't have the time to deal nothing for them. So if I say me get this love for them, to me a straight on.
Yeah. The love we have in the yard, man. You know, it's the natural.
Even she me I show say me. So your mother said you don't know. You know you come on and check.
Deal with them, see me.
Don't do it because things are really in your long run. You have youth and you them come worse off.
Yeah, true.
Like it's a cycle, love with a cycle of age, you.
Yeah, true. True. If you show the same love as I want, somebody show it to your own. You know, because you never know what Father God have in store. Because if you're going to feel like, say, because of disadvantage, you're going to take liberty of her, you know.
She, the night time my mother gets one beat her straight. She have to come stay with me. You know what I'm saying?
See?
Every night my mother beat her and I sleep. Oh, I don't know. So I just take off and I'm
so you see?
first time I take off my mother.
So that's why you have to make sure so you look out for her.
I don't know that she have got you with the same thing. You tell her, say, you pay a block for them, because I ain't have none. You know what you say, though, every day you come in a cuss, I don't like the cussing. I don't like the cussing, you see, that's why you just come back and come see me. Come over there and stay with the youth them. Time to go and sleep, me go on my yard. But I don't like the cussing. Every day you come and ask you what wrong, you can't tell but you have cuss. That means you want to get rid of me then. No. You see, so we just get fed up on this palm of clothes one day. And let's come out and you see, they go me and I'm just take sheet. I'm finding she beat her regular and I sleep. She can't get the time to even go to school. It's go to school, she sleep at school. She never know nothing too tough, you know. I see it's me take her. Yeah.
Yeah, man. And continue being an example for the father figure, you know, because you're playing the both role right now, the father and the mother figure. And as I said, there's a huge blessings ahead for you do, you know. And you're going to be here very long for you know, so you see them through. You understand? Because as I said, it's a great work you do, same way. Because as I said, it's a huge example for no father who wouldn't do what you are do.
Yeah,
you understand?
I know people tell me that.
So just continue to do it here.
In the hospital, the doctor them up there, check me, man, the nurse, everybody. You know me like that. Because I me alone, them see the youth from day one. So I'm not enough time with the mother. You tell them, say, mother, then I'm surprised. Give me a condolence and all.
Yeah.
Let me be strong because I'm not sure we say I'm not going to fight because better days than the fear.
Of course.
You see me?
Yeah. Better days are going.
Come up, I you know, the same way. Because when me look at she come back and do it for me and that doctor tell me. You see me?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Better days ahead, man. Yeah? Father for the year. You know, and for every year and many years to come, you know. As I say, it's never ending. Shanette, I'm going to leave you now.
Okay.
So take care of your sister.
Okay. I understand what he said.
You listening to what he said? Okay. Then, take care, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, tell me the story before I go.
Okay. And then they ran away and And then she started to tell Zayn about it. But Zayn is her best friend.
Is it?
Yes, he has a mask on. His hair cover his eye, so he has one eye over here. And he likes a cat.
He likes a cat.
Yes.
But you likes cat as well.
Yes, I love cats.
Yeah,
But he has a crush on a cat.
Yeah, but you has a crush on a cat too.
Hey, I don't have a crush on cat. I love playing with cats.
You don't have a crush on the cat?
No, it's a girl cat. She's KC.
Okay.
And that's her Wilson name, Kwai-chan.
Kwai-chan.
Yes.
Okay then. So and
she
she'll talk you. So you're not gonna let me go?
Wait. Ian, there he is. He comes over quite enough. He placed TNT over there. And he said, "Oh no, I'm about to blow up your house." And she said, "I saw the TNT in your hand."
And that's the bomb.
No, they didn't bomb it.
You never bomb me.
Akmal hit him. Said, "Get out of here now, get out." And he said, "No one likes you, Akmal." And Akmal filled it. Said, "Is it true that no one likes me?" Wait, Kwai-chan. Is it true that no one likes me? And she just walked to our house and she rebuilt it.
Oh.
She worked hard on our house.
So
she has a toilet, she has a bedroom, and she has a kitchen. But Ian steal all our things from our kitchen. Our furnace and
So let me ask you something, right? You don't want me to go home?
Till I tell a story.
No, you like to this thing. Hey, high five. Well, we'll continue it next time. I have to go home now, right?
Yeah.
Okay? Don't be so sad. Give me a high five. Yeah, that's not good high five. Give me a high five, man. I love your story. Come now, smile for me, man. You see, I'm gonna stay then. You want me to stay? Oh, you see, Gina, they're trying to trick me. You love your sister? Take good care of her, okay? You can take good care of her? Promise? High five on it. High five. So I'm gonna see you next time. You can tell me all the story you wanna tell me. Okay? Right, Ben?
Yeah.
Alright, you see? Ben gonna have a story to tell you. You got a story to tell me as well? See? Well, Ben's gonna tell me her story too. Alright, Ben?
Yeah, Ben.
Alright then, bye-bye.
Alright.
Janet! See you soon! Next time, bam. Father for the years and years.
Big up on yourself, you know.
Yeah.
Big dream team this year.
Yeah, man.
Biggest dream team in Chenstown right now.
Righteousness.
Then, I'm the team where
Real.
solid. It's a solid. We're not about real, it's solid. Then,
True.
the team was solid, you don't know it go.
Genuine.
Genuine. So big up yourself, dream team.
Alright, every time. Blessed. And you, Miss Ronde, look after your sister, okay?
Yes, sir.
And please don't try to stand her out or try to make you do too much work, right?
I respect anyway,
Yeah.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.